So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create an animated typing text effect with CSS. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser. You actually don't need to code anything, just simply search here CSS tricks .com/snippets/css/typewriter if dash effect slash. Just simply go to this URL and be very careful with the URL. If you pronounce it wrong, you're gonna end up somewhere else. Now just simply open this, and here you're gonna find the sample of the animation as well. And now you can directly get the CSS for the same that class you can use to add on your projects that directly create this animations for you for free without actually writing the code. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.